like having marbles.
I know.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Ray, you ready?
Yep. I just need another slice of the pecan pie.
Oh.
Did you just say, all right, are you ready? Because you're not going to pick them up?
Yeah, that's
did.
what he did.
Wesley, look how cute this one
Oh,
That's
that
very
was just
cute.
like you, Brittany.
Brittany is
Tiny string.
cute. Yay.
is. That's dripping.
Oopsies.
Dry it off to the top.
Here's my other one. That's what we should have done. Is played bat and ball with Easter eggs.
Buggy, pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him.
Oh, she's not like tripping over them. Oh, she's trying to step on them. This is gonna be like